Hello guys. You guys will say this woman is not serious. Where is she? Where is she? Has she abandoned this channel or what? I'm still here, but life is lifing. And the OG viewers on this channel already know that whenever life is lifing with me, YouTube is the first to get shafted because number one, you need to be in a special mental state to be able to make a YouTube video. Come up with a video idea, script it, film it, edit it. Yeah, write the script, edit it, especially with the kind of video I make. I need to be in a better mental state. And once I'm not there, YouTube goes first so that I can focus on the other things that I want to achieve. Yeah, I already knew at the beginning of this year that this year will be a very busy one for me. Look at all that gap in my YouTube channel for this year. Madre, look at that huge. Okay, this first one here was when I had COVID, and then there was another small gap here, and then some more vlogs and shopping, grocery shopping, and then this huge gaping hole here. Look at that. My last video was on the 14th of July, and then the next one was on the 1st of September. Like 6 whole weeks away from YouTube, and then I went away. I uploaded these two, and since then, 5th of September, and today is what? 16th of September. I hope that I'll edit this video today and upload it today since it's a talking head video. So you guys know that for the past 3 years or so, I was going to Nigeria every single year, and that has been in the way of a lot of things that I want to do, you know, self-improvement things. You know, you need to keep improving yourself so that you don't go stale. The world is always changing, so you need to keep up. If not, you become irrelevant. Yeah, especially in your career, in your personal life. Yeah, you need to keep updating. So this year I took some exams. Yeah, professional and personal development. And yeah, this is the first year when everywhere opened up again for vacation, and it's been a while. I took my kids on vacation because, you know, it's part of their education. They need to travel so they can learn stuff. You know, the amount of education, the amount of improvement we get in our lives when we travel cannot be overemphasized. So yeah, this is a backlog of vacations for them. So am I back? Maybe. For this last quarter of the year, I promise to give you something back to back, something that, you know, it's a chop season, so hopefully. But before I make a promise that I'll not keep, our Nigerian food ingredients are finished because you guys know that we eat only Nigerian food, or mostly Nigerian food in this house. So all that food we brought here in January from Christmas trip is gone. The other day I wanted to cook, not even the other day, this week I wanted to prepare soup, and I only saw 2 pieces of catfish, dry catfish, and I shared it between the 2 soups I was preparing. So even stockfish has finished. Pata pata. I'm telling you, like it's serious. So I'll see some videos, some recipes videos that I can upload for you guys with the ingredients I can get here. Yeah, that's what we'll be preparing going forward for this year. I didn't have any plans of going to Nigeria this year because, one, I had plans to do a lot of things which I have, yeah, mostly achieved for this year. After my exams, my friend came to visit from the UK with her kids. It was a fun trip, so there was no way I could be doing YouTube while we had guests. That's not going to happen. Meanwhile, we were having too much fun. So you guys already saw the vlog, even though from the views, a lot of people haven't seen it, so go check it out. And then I and my kids went to Barcelona. Yeah, we went to Barcelona. The video for that will still be up. We actually killed 2 birds with 1 stone on that trip. My kids have been asking for a trip to Portaventura. Portaventura is a theme park. It's like Disney that we have here in Spain. It's very close to Barcelona. So, and going to Barcelona has been on my bucket list since forever. So isn't it shocking that I live in Spain, Barcelona is over there, and I've never been. That was my first time going to Barcelona. So I planned the 2 trips. Yeah, I planned everything from start to finish. So if you want to see how you can plan your own family vacation to anywhere, it doesn't have to be Barcelona, watch out for that video. There are so many clips from that video. I don't even know how to edit that video, because if I decide to give you guys everything, it will be boring. So I'm going to upload it in a sharp manner. But if you want the whole thing, let me know in the comments. Yeah, I can still make the sharp one and then upload the whole thing for you, because we had so much fun, such an active vacation. In fact, when we came back, we had to take another staycation to recover from that. It was so much fun, so much fun. Yeah, if you want to see where we stayed, the attractions we visited, how I planned it in such a way that we could combine maybe two major attractions in the day, and yeah, how to get around. Yeah, it was fun. Yeah, it was fun, just fun. Let me just stop talking until you see it. What else? I don't know. How are you all doing? I forgot to ask that. Yeah, I hope you're doing well. The kids have gone back to school now here in Spain. Neddy started secondary school. My neighbor's diva dog. Oh, I thought he's not going to bark during this video. So Neddy started secondary school this year. She's now a big girl. And it has been sweetening her. They started on Wednesday, this past Wednesday. But that was the first day. So it's just registration, per se. They'll be taken to their new class and then like kind of orientation. And then showing their class, introduced to their form teacher and their teachers and all that. And yesterday, which was Thursday, they went to school, which was the official school day, first school day. And yeah, it was a very good first year for her, according to her. So yeah, she's now going to school with bigger boys, Kamsi and his friends. So in the morning, they both walk to school with their friends. And yeah, I'm semi-free. Yeah, slowly but surely they are growing. Yeah, very soon they'll become adults and I'll be completely free. All right, so yeah, that's what I've been doing this past week. I had another exam last week Friday, which was a week today, and it went well. The results are not out yet, but yeah, I'm kind of confident that I'll pass with flying colors. See me talking boldly now, talking with confidence. If you see the kind of exam fever that was doing me before this exam, my husband was like, calm down, you're an A student. You're not supposed to worry about it. Man, nah, this old age schooling. You know, in Nigeria we say, you don't learn how to use the left hand or the other hand. As me, you're left-handed and you want to start learning how to use right hand in your old age, it's not gonna work. So that's the thing. I left, studied, and seriously sitting for an exam a long time ago. So my husband was like, calm down, don't worry. Oh well, let's wait and see what the result will be like. But I know I'm not going to fail, that's for sure. But yeah, how I will pass is what I don't know. Hey, what else? I don't know. What else has been happening in your lives? Yeah, what's going on this YouTube? Yeah, I came back and I saw that a lot of women is raining babies on this YouTube. Mad baby in the Nigerian YouTube community. It's either people are pregnant or they've given birth, including those that have been TTCing for a long time. Man, it's a period of grace. So yeah, it's all good news all around in the Nigerian YouTube community. I've watched a few videos and congratulated them, but I'm still on my video rounds. I have not yet finished, so I'll get to everybody. But collect your congratulations, all of you, collectively now. Congratulations. I mean, if I were going on Mugo, I would have divided myself into twice as the YouTube auntie. Yeah, congratulations everyone. I'm happy for everyone. There's nothing like someone desiring to have something, be it a child, be it success in your personal life, anything that you want, and you get it. You finally get it. Doesn't matter how long it took, but the most important thing is that you finally got your heart's desire. So congratulations everyone. I didn't plan to come here to start talking. I just wanted to upload a short video so that I can, yeah, greet you all again, because it's been a long time we talked. It's been a while. I missed you guys. Yeah, I missed you. Even though on my channel I have a lot of videos that you haven't seen. I'm pretty sure I have 600 and how many videos do I have on this YouTube? Anyway, I think I have 600 and something videos on this YouTube, and I'm sure you haven't seen half of them. Go and watch them. Go and watch my vlogs. I mean, I know that you guys don't like vlogs on this channel like that because I don't upload them often. My life is boring here as well. It's only when I go to the village. And since I didn't go to the village this year, you guys are not interested in my panya videos. They're quite interesting and you can say educative because I tell you, traveling is a special kind of education on its own. And even if you've not been to a place, I make sure I make my vlogs in such a way that you will feel like you've been to that place. So it's a kind of expose. For instance, I just got a question this morning on my most recent vlog where someone was asking, it's 10 p.m. and it's still daylight, because I said the time in that portion of the video where we were going for a walk at 10 p.m. and she was like, it's 10 p.m. and it's still daylight. Somebody explained. So I sent her a link to a video where I explained it because I've talked about it in a previous vlog. So these are the kinds of things, even if you in this day of the internet, even if you've not left your country, you can actually be immersed in what is happening all over the world by watching these kinds of videos. Yeah, I mean, it's good for me that you watch it, but it's also good for you. It's a symbiotic relationship. you gain something from the video, because one promise I make on this channel is that I'll never ever upload an empty video. Yeah, a video that is empty from start to finish. There must be something new for you to learn there. Yeah, always. Even if you don't learn something new, you'll be entertained. You do put a smile on your face. Anyway, I'm happy to be back here, and I hope I'll find something to upload for the rest of the year to keep this channel going. Yeah, the channel is going extinct now because you know YouTube these days. One, if you're not doing shorts, YouTube will forget your video. But me, I'm not a performer. It's not me that YouTube will drag into that shorts. Honestly, I'm telling you, they've been changing a lot of short things, telling you that you can no, but it's still not for me, honestly. It gives you all these fake views, and you really need to come up with something that is really entertaining and short and, you know, that hits the nail on the head. And yeah, it just gives you fake views that help your self-esteem or something like that, make you feel good, but I don't think it delivers. Yeah, I'm not ready to be uploading that kind of video that will deliver in under 1 minute. I can't do that. I can't. I just can't. YouTube, once you're not doing shorts these days, they kind of forget you. But yeah, and coupled with the fact that I'm not consistent. Look at my gap. But yeah, we keep pushing. I've paid my dues on this YouTube. I've laid the foundation. Yeah, and keep laying. It's not easy to be uploading videos for this length of time and keep coming out with new content. So I give myself a huge pat on the back. If you enjoyed the chat, click the like button and comment below to let me know how life is treating you. What's going on? What's new in your life? Bye bye. See you soon.